Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the latest Magisk version 17.2 for all Android devices including Android 9.0 devices. Let's so guys, before installing Magisk, make sure you have unlocked your bootloader and also you have TWRP recovery installed to flash Magisk. Now I have this Redmi Note 5 Pro running Android Pie custom ROM, which is Nitrogen OS Pie, and yeah, I have TWRP also. The bootloader is unlocked, of course, or I wouldn't have been running a custom ROM. So yeah, this is Pi and I will be showing you that it works like the Magisk 70.2 works even on Pi. Yes, cause it's the latest and it supports Pi, so it will obviously work. Let's see in the further part of the video. Then anyways, this is the first time I'm installing Magisk, so yeah, this is like a experiment, or this video wouldn't been like me in the YouTube. Okay, then you just need to go install and you can see Magisk. Reboot after installation is complete. Yeah, this is the installation log, mounting and all. So it will back up the boot image. So yeah, you can see DM Verity repacking. Yeah, let's let it finish in its own time. Let me skip this. It ended quickly. Now you will see wipe cache and we can reboot option. So just reboot system and just wait for your device to boot. Now after flashing Magisk for the first time, or like whenever you flash Magisk, it will take some extra time and it will just load the boot animation. So don't like get distracted over it. It's not an issue, it's just like you have flashed Magisk. So yeah, let's wait for it. Guys, my device booted quickly and let's go. I can see Magisk installed, so that's great. And you can see checking for updates. This latest version 17.2. Also let's see if safety net check status. Okay, so as you can see, CTS profile true and basic integrity also true. So yeah, we have safety net and we have this settings, dark theme and all. So yeah, this is just not important, but yes, you can see safety net has been passed. And yep, this is the latest Magisk version, installed version 17.2, which is the beta one. You can also try 17.1 if this one fails, and you can flash the uninstaller. All of the links are in the description below. And yep, this is the installation of Magisk 17.2, and I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, if you really like this video, press the like button. If not, press the dislike button. Subscribe for more videos on such awesome things like Exposed and Magisk. Now Exposed is literally dead. So yeah, new Magisk updates and about new Android versions. So yeah, bye bye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Is